Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making the headset ready. Update the Quest 2 firmware and ensure your Oculus mobile app shows the latest build, because eye tracking needs current system software to function reliably. Once done, enable developer mode only if the specific eye tracking app requires it. This unlocks experimental features. Make sure the battery is above 50% and remove sunglasses or contacts that reflect infrared, as those interfere with sensors. Now position yourself in a stable, evenly lit area to begin the pairing and calibration steps. You now install the eye tracking app or side-loaded APK that provides gaze input. Grant camera and sensor permissions. The software needs access to infrared cameras and motion sensors to compute gaze. Once launched, choose the eye tracking mode and begin the guided calibration routine. Follow each on-screen target, hold steady, and blink naturally when asked, because calibration maps your pupils to screen coordinates. If the app offers advanced tuning, adjust for interpupillary distance and ambient lighting to improve accuracy across sessions. You finish by validating eye tracking in a supported app. Use gaze to select menus, aim a pointer, or observe foveated rendering changes. If gaze feels off, rerun calibration immediately and repeat the guided targets. Small head tilt or low light often causes drift. If problems persist, reboot the headset, confirm permissions in the Oculus app, and reset the headset to align sensors with your eyes. One key troubleshooting tip: if tracking remains inconsistent, temporarily increase ambient light and remove reflective lenses before recalibrating.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.